In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a ghost button with just using HTML and CSS and using no external libraries. This is going to be pretty simple, so make sure you guys stay tuned to learn more about it. Like always guys, I'm going to leave all the links down in the description. Make sure you check that out at the end of the video. And if you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel, but it's straight into the tutorial. So the basic thing, this is similar to the Bootstrap one. It's going to go over, you hover over it, do inverse colors. And basically the only thing that's really different is that we're not going to use any of the Bootstrap styling, and all we're going to use is just straight CSS. So it's pretty simple. We'll go through and when we set the background, as we said before, we'll set the transparent. We'll go through and change the border color, and we're going to change the turn it, make sure it's solid, and also make sure too as well that it's going through and using 3 pixels, so you can get a nice little size around it, so it's not too thin. And then we're going to set the text to be aligned to the center, and also go through and add some padding. You can play with the padding as much as possible. You can even go to like a minimum and then a certain width. I'm actually going through with your actual buttons if you want your buttons to be a certain size, and to scale down that way, going through on different sizes. That'll work too as well. I really like to do it just with a couple of some padding because this usually fits inside of any screen. But for more defined buttons, I would change that up. And then we go through and we define the border radius, which we put in 3 pixels. You can change this around with 4, 5, 6, whatever you really want to do on that portion right there. And then we need to do a hover state, so when you hover over it, it changes colors. I would say I would go in here and make the text a little bit bolder. So I'll go to font weight. Type it in right. And then I'll do bold, so the text come out a little bit bolder. Because you see when you hover over it, you can barely see it. So save that, and you can see over here. See, it comes out a lot. It looks a lot cleaner now. And that's basically right here. You create a ghost button. It's pretty simple. Tell me guys, let me know in the comment if you guys like this, if this helped. Any other tutorials you guys want to learn more about. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching this right now. I'm Xavier Kelly. If you haven't already, go and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.